Hey everybody, welcome to Behind the Boot.
We hope you're having a great day wherever you are. We are here at the Calgary Stampede.
The Calgary Stampede, the last day of the Stampede right now.
And so our goal was to find the most weird thing that we could possibly
Most odd
eat
thing.
that doesn't have meat in it, because I don't eat meat. So, what did we find?
What did we get?
Let me show you.
Whoa. Rides are happening.
I'm really glad that I'm not on that.
No.
So
All right,
we
show
found
it. Here we go.
Fruit-infused grilled cheese.
Fruit-infused grilled cheese.
Do you think there's real fruit?
It was only $12.
What a
So
deal!
you gonna take a bite?
I don't know.
I'll take a bite. You
I'm
want-
taking the pink
Okay.
bite.
Oh. Real bite.
Strawberry. Well,
Oh,
it's actually horrible.
that was horrible.